Hello, it's Jane again. Welcome back to CJ Drive Results. We are back here with our Cook Unity series. I guess you could call this CJ Neat. I love to review things, and here I am to review these meal prep service meals for you. And I wanted to be clear with Cook Unity, this is not really meal prep service. It's not like I need to do anything to it. It comes completely put together. It's got nice side dishes, and these are chef prepared. So there is some information about the chef, and on their website, you can even shop by chef. There are different chefs' dishes who are available regionally. And I did notice on the website that one of the chefs, or that if you order a few meals from the same chef, sometimes they have a couple of dollars off. I didn't do that this time. I just picked whatever meals looked the most delicious to me so I could give it my best shot to see if I liked it. So the first thing I selected to eat, this is a standard entree. I had to hold myself back from trying the premium because I wanted to see what the standard had to offer. So this one looked absolutely delicious. I just picked by whatever was most appealing to me tonight. I asked a friend for some suggestions, and they mentioned maybe these two, and those are the same ones I had on mine. So it turned out just perfect. This one is barbecue chicken with gooey mac and cheese. I'm super curious. It is by this chef here. Let's see. It doesn't say his name. Chef Chris Ratel. That sounds familiar. I don't know if that's a famous chef or not. Some of these people are pretty famous. I don't know exactly how it works, but they contribute their own special recipes, and they don't have the same thing every week to eat. But we're going to see how Chef Chris makes barbecue chicken. When I took it out of the package, there was two sections to it. The barbecue chicken was sauced up with barbecue sauce in one container on the side. My microwave is going off. That means it's almost ready. And there was mac and cheese on the other side. So as I mentioned, I live here in a facility that doesn't have great cooking resources. So I have basically the options of microwaving or eating stuff just straight out of the refrigerator. So for this series, we're going to be microwaving, and maybe one day I'll be able to upgrade to baking. But right now, I thought it was cool that it has two sets of instructions. And this resonates with me. There's a chef's instructions to cook it in the oven, and there is a microwave instruction for cooking it in the microwave, the fast, and they call that the fast instructions, and I thought that was cute. I don't like microwaving food, and it worries me a little bit to make food in the microwave. I don't know, it just seems supernatural or something, so I always prefer the chef's instructions for all of my food, but let's see how this food held up in the microwave. We're about to go get it right now. All right, this is all live. There's no edits in my world.